This is, it's a very state-of-the-art facility. Very good people in here. Very, willing to talk, show you around, and would consider using it.
That's one thing I like about it is because the engineer is right in front of you instead of being on the phone and waiting on hold for about 10-15 minutes, and then suddenly he's not the right person to deal with and refer you to another person.
Some manufacturers are very difficult to get a hold of, and so working with Eaton, I've had several contacts that can get me a response in the next day or two, and that's definitely helpful when trying to get a project out the door.
Here, at least the person that you're talking to, or is the expert on the system.
One of them in particular was they had the device that would actually do thermography or thermal scan on a breaker. Right now, we have to send individuals in there with a camera, open the equipment, and this way that you have here is state of the art. It's a device that actually monitors those temperatures. This would be something that we'd be looking into.
I think this is great. At least when we came here, we could see the product, and the people are really helpful. They could answer questions, and if they could not, either give us a call back and do their research, and then go ahead with the product selection or product demonstration.
So far, I thought it was very interesting. There was definitely a couple new products that I never heard of, and just knowing the different options for the EV charging was actually super helpful as well, and determining the best product for the clients.
We are a premier gear builder and provider.